Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class we have discussed behavior of the sequence 1 plus 1 by n, that is limit of 1 plus 1 by n power n as n tends to infinity is lies between 2 and 3 and it is denoted by e. Okay, now let me discuss the behavior of the sequence xn where x is a real number. Here x is a real number, nothing but then we have three possibilities. First one, mod x may be less than 1 or mod x equal to 1 or mod x may be greater than 1. Okay, if mod x less than 1, then x lies between minus 1 and 1. If x is 0, then the sequence xn equals 0, which converges to 0. If x is not equal to 0, then mod x not equal to 0. Okay, x is not equal to 0 and lies between minus 1 and 1. Then 1 by mod x greater than 1. Suppose x is 0.5. X value should be lies between minus 1 and 1 and not equal to 0. Maybe x value 0.5. 1 by 0.5 is 2, that is greater than 1. Okay, 1 by mod x equals 1 plus y, where y is greater than 0. This number is greater than 1, nothing but this number equal to 1 plus some other number. Okay, therefore mod x equals 1 plus 5. Mod x power n equals 1 plus 1 by 1 plus y power n. Then by using binomial expansion, denominator can be written as 1 plus n into y plus n into n minus 1 y square by 2 factorial and so on y power n. 1, this is less than ny because 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, this is less than 1 by 2. Yes, because this term equal to 1 by 10 and this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 nothing but 0.5. 1 by 10 is 0.1. 0.1 is less than 0.5. So this whole term is less than 1 divided by ny. That is less than epsilon, because 1 by ny less than epsilon. 1 by epsilon into y is less than n, cross multiplication. Okay, choose m to be the nearest positive integer less than 1 by y epsilon. Therefore mod xn, this is therefore mod xn less than epsilon for every n greater than or equals m. Modulus of xn minus 0 less than epsilon for all n greater than or equals m. This implies limit of xn as n tends to infinity equals 0. Okay. Case 2. If mod x equals 1, that is x equals 1 or minus 1. If x equals 1, then x power n, sequence of x power n is 1 power 1, 1 power 2, whatever may be, the value is 1, which converges to 1. Okay, if x equals minus 1, then the sequence x power n equals minus 1 power n. If n is 1, minus 1 power 1 is 1. If n is 2, minus 1 square 1. n is 3, minus 1 cube is minus 1. Here we get minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Therefore, which oscillates between minus 1 and 1. This is not convergent. This is oscillatory sequence if x equals minus 1. Case 3. If mod x greater than 1, let y equals 1 by x. Mod y equals 1 by mod x. If mod x greater than 1, 1 by mod x should be less than 1, because if 2 is greater than 1, then 1 by 2 should be less than 1. Okay, mod x greater than 1. If y power n tends to 0 as n tends to infinity, then 1 by x power n, y is equal to 1 by mod x. It also tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. 1 by x power n tends to 0, nothing but x power n tends to infinity as n tends to infinity. Therefore, sequence xn is divergent sequence. Okay, hence sequence xn is convergent. In the first case, if mod x less than 1, it is convergent. If and x equals 1, convergent. If x equals minus 1, it oscillates. And if mod x greater than 1, it diverges to infinity. Okay, next, discuss the behavior of the sequence n power 1 by n. It's very important. Let n power 1 by n equals 1 plus yn. Next, raise the power by n on both sides. N equals 1 plus yn power n. By using binomial theorem, RHS can be written as 1 plus ny n plus n into n minus 1 yn square by 2 factorial plus and so on yn power n. Next, here 10 can be written as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Here 10 is greater than 3? Yes. Similarly, n is greater than this term, n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial yn square. This term is less than n. Just rearranging the terms. Yn square less than 2 factorial is 2 into n, 2n divided by n into n minus 1. Yn square less than 10n cancel, 2 by n minus 1. Yn less than square root of 2 by n minus 1. Now we have n power 1 by n equals 1 plus yn. Here 1 plus this yn is less than square root of 2 by n minus 1. Therefore, n power 1 by n less than 1 plus square root of 2 by n minus 1. Now consider n power 1 by n minus 1 less than 1 plus square root of 2 by n minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 cancel. N power 1 by n minus 1 less than square root of 2 by n minus 1. Therefore, modulus of n power 1 by n minus 1 is less than epsilon by choosing this term is less than epsilon. Okay, modulus of square root of 2 by n minus 1 less than epsilon. Squaring on both sides, 2 by n minus 1 less than epsilon square, 2 by epsilon square less than n minus 1. Okay, 2 by epsilon square plus 1 less than n, or n is greater than this term, n is greater than 2 by epsilon square plus 1. Let m be the nearest positive integer less than 1 plus 2 by epsilon square. Therefore, modulus of n power 1 by n minus 1 less than epsilon for all n greater than or equals m. Therefore, limit n power 1 by n as n tends to infinity equals 1. Therefore, the sequence n power 1 by n converges to 1.